exercise 4b. Let us continue with that. So let me do the sixth question. List the elements of the solution set of the inequation minus 3 less than x minus 2 less than or equal to 9 minus 2x, where x belongs to n. So here they have asked you to list the elements only. We are doing the sixth question. So they didn't ask you to draw the number line or represent it on number line. So we have to just write down the numbers. Okay. So, and one more thing, only if the number line is asked also, you need to list the elements first. Only then you have to draw the number line. Okay. So minus 3 less than x minus 2 can be written as minus 3 plus 2 less than x, that is minus 1 less than x. Similarly, x minus 2 less than or equal to 9 minus 2x. So x minus 2 x plus, so what do you get? You get it as 3x less than or equal to 9 plus 2, that is 11. X is less than or equal to, you can write divide by 3 on both the sides, so you can get it as 11 by 3. 11 by 3 will be less than or equal to 3.33, right? 11. 3 3s are 9, again 2 point, it goes 6 times, again 18, 2 0, 3.66. Okay. So they've asked you to find the list. So how do you write it? 3.66. So your terms are x such that minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 3.66, x belongs to n. Okay. So that is equal to natural numbers you need here. So you can write as 1, 2, 3. This is how you list the natural numbers. Okay. Hope it's clear to you all. So they have just asked you to list the numbers. So you're just writing down the numbers. That's all. Okay. Now let me do the 8th question. Okay. Let me look at the 8th question. What is given the 8th question? Find the values of x which satisfy the inequation. So you can see the question little complicated with fractions and all. You need to solve it and note it or represent it on a number line. Okay. It's very easy. So 1 5 by 6. Again x belongs to n. Okay. Let me see how to solve it. First let me take the first part. How do we take it? First part. Okay. Let us take till this. So what do you have? Minus 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3. So taking minus 2x by 3 this side, we'll get 2x by 3 less than or equal to 1 by 2 plus 2. So taking LCM, what do you get? 2x by 3 less than or equal to 1 plus 2 2s are 4 by 2. Again 2x into x, you multiply this side, what do you get? 2 into 2x is 4x less than or equal to 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 into 3 is 15. So divide by 4 on both the sides. So what do you get? X less than or equal to 15 by 4. 15 by 4 can be written as 3s are 12, 30. So 4 goes in 30 how many times? 3.7, 28. So it is 3.75. X less than or equal to 3.75. Now the other part. Let's take the other part. What do you have? Okay. This part we will be taking 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 1 5 by 6. That is 11 by 6. Okay. So multiplying again, taking 2x by 3 to that side. 1 by 2 minus 11 by 6 less than or equal to 2x by 3. So multiply both the sides by 3. Okay, you will get 6. So you're getting 3 minus 11 by 6 less than or equal to 2x by 3. 3 minus 11 by 6 will be minus 8 by 6 less than or equal to 2x by 3. Multiplying 3 to this side and 2 here, what you get? 3 into minus 8 by 6 into 2 less than or equal to x. Okay. So 2s are, 4s are, 2s are. So you'll get minus 2 less than or equal to x. So what is the final answer you will be getting? Minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3.75. X such that minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3.75. X belongs to n. So representing it in its natural number, representing it in on number line. So first let us write the solution set for it. 1, 2, 3. So what will be the number line here? You can draw a number line with 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it belongs to natural numbers, right? X belongs to n, and these are the terms. So you have to just mark it as 3. This is how you represented it number line. Okay. Now let us do the next question. So let me do the 11th question. Question number 11. Solve the following inequation. Graph the solution set on the number line. So question is given as 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2 less than or equal to 3x plus 5, where x belongs to r. Okay. 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2 less than or equal to 3x plus 5. X belongs to r. So take this separately. So what you get? 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2. Taking them together, 2x minus x is x less than 2 plus 3. This 3 goes that side, it will become plus. So it's 5. Then again the other side, what you are getting? X plus 2 less than or equal to 3x plus 5. Take x to that side and number to this side. Minus 3. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Less than or equal to 3x minus x. 3x minus x is 2x. Divide by 2 on both the sides. So you'll get minus 1.5 less than or equal to x. So finally you get it as x such that minus 1.5 less than or x equal to x less than 5, where x belongs to r. Okay. Now how do you draw the number line for this? So you can write as minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me redraw the number line here. Okay. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's real numbers. So how do you represent it? It's 1.5. So it is between minus 1 and minus 2, right? So we'll take this and here darken it here between this. Okay. Then the other side is less than 5. Now cover all it. Okay. This is how you do the problem. Okay. Hope it's clear to you all. You have different types of question in this, and all the questions will be like how you can solve it. First you need to solve the given inequation, then get the value and put it into the number line, represent it on the number line. Hi students, now let us do the 22nd question. It's given in 22nd question. Solve the following inequation and represent the solution set on the number line. 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5x plus 4 less than 11. Okay. So taking this part, you get it as 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5x plus 4. So minus 5 minus 4 less than or equal to 5x minus 2x. So minus 9 less than or equal to 3x. Divide by 3 on both the sides, you will get minus 3 less than or equal to x. Now the other part, 5x plus 4 less than 11. 5x less than 11 minus 4. 5x less than 11 minus 4 is 7. So x less than 7 by 5. So you'll get 7 and 5. It is 1.4. 1 time 5 2 0 1.4. X less than 1.4. So x belongs to integers was given, right? So what are the numbers, you tell me? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. So you need to represent this on the number line. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So representing it on a number line. Minus 1, 0, 1. Okay, this is how we represent. Now let us do the 34. Question number 34. Okay. Question number 34. Find the values of x. Satisfy the inequation. Minus 2 5 by 6 less than 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 2. X belongs to W. So minus 12 plus 12 plus 5 is 17. Minus 17 by 6 less than 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3. We'll take that part and do first till here. So taking 2x by 3 this side, less than 1 by 2 plus 17 by 6. Multiply by 3 into 3. So finally what you get? 2x by 3 less than 3 plus 17, that is 20 by 6. So you'll get it as 10 by 3. 2x by 3 less than, so 3 and 3 can be cancelled here, right? 2x less than 10, x less than 10 by 2, that is 5. So you got that part. Let us do the other part. What do you have in the other part? Okay. 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 2. So 1 by 2 minus 2 less than or equal to 2x by 3. 1 minus 4 by 2 less than or equal to 2x by 3. Minus 3 by 2 less than or equal to 2x by 3. 3 is getting multiplied here. So minus 9 by 4 less than or equal to x. 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is equal to 9, 4, 1. 2s are 8, 1. So again 2.225. So you'll get minus 2.25 less than or equal to x. So what are the numbers? Set of whole numbers it is. So final numbers will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again, how do you represent in a number line? You can take 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what do you understand from this? If a set of natural numbers or whole numbers or integers is given, you will just mark the particular numbers. By chance real numbers are given, if the condition is less than or equal to, that particular number should less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, that particular number should be included. In that case you will have to darken the number. Okay, if it's only just greater than or just less than, you will put a hollow circle and you will mark the rest of the values. Okay, hope this chapter is clear to you all. Thank you, students.